Sometimes it's really hard to find a gift that actually means something, especially for a mom who does everything. This idea started because I feel like moms are always doing so much for everyone else, and most gifts just don't reflect that. So I wanted to design something simple but really meaningful. I started with the strong mama idea, a design I created on Kittl. I wanted it to feel soft but powerful. After downloading a few different looks, I took it to Canva, where I removed the background and decided on one design. After coming up with the design, I took it to Printify. Printify helps me put all my ideas onto a product. I wanted to create something she could use every day and be reminded of how important she is. And this is how it turned out. I love this. It's not just something you give and forget. It's something that reminds her every single day how much she means. If you're ever looking for something like this, I do have these in my shop. But I also just love sharing ideas like this to help people give more meaningful gifts. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.